Pixels. This window allows you to implement advanced tags called pixels. Pixel tags are code segments that are received from external systems and are designed to count the user's actions on the site, such as the number of exposures, registrations, views, etc. The system allows the implementation of a large number of pixels from one system or from a number of systems. And all this is produced through a landing page or one site. Send pixel according to URL parameter name. This allows you to define if a pixel will only be activated when a certain condition is met. For example, in this field we will enter a source which we will return to later. Please note, setting conditions for operating pixels is optional. If you do not want to filter the pixels, leave the field blank. To add pixels, click on Add New. Pixel HTML code. This window is used for entering tag pixel code segments received from an external source. In this example, we'll paste a pixel. Report pixel after. Use action that will run the pixel code. Page load. After the site is fully loaded. Button click. After clicking on the selected button, a list of all of the buttons defined on the page will be displayed. Button report lead. This is a dedicated button for successfully sending registrants information. In the list, only buttons defined in lead's definition as send button ID will be displayed. For an illustration, we will select button click that is associated with this button. When URL parameter value is equal to any value that is transferred in a landing page or website address, will activate different pixels. In this field, we will enter Site 1. We will save and continue the explanation in a simulation. To activate the pixel, you must create a unique URL. We will add a question mark to the simulation URL, and then we add the parameter we name source in the field send pixel according to URL parameter name. Add an equal sign, and then we add the site 1 which we defined in the field, when URL parameter value is equal to. We'll refresh the page. In this URL, the pixel will be activated. But if we set the URL without the parameters, the pixel will not be activated. In this way, we can add a large number of variables, such as Site1, and thus activate different pixels from different external systems. It is also possible to use different pixels from the same external system to count different actions. If there are other parameters, we add the symbol AND before adding the parameter.